it's Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and I'm doing a final wrap on the Designer Mystery Quilt from Fat Quarter Shop, Block 1. It's called Clear Sky. It is gorgeous. Let me hold it up there for you. Some of you have already done this. I know you have. There's been a couple of really good videos out on how to put it together. Mine is a little slow moving, but this will show you the final pictures of after we put all the parts together. And this is what you get. I think it's beautiful. And surprisingly, look at all this extra fabric they give you. I know people have talked about how Fat Quarter Shop is very generous, but my goodness, they sure are. And you know, we were going to talk about the guest designer is Cory Yoder. You know, that's my gal. I love to see what she's doing, and I'm doing her Callie & Co. Quilt blocks every month this year, so that'll be fun. So look for that tomorrow, I think it is. Well, that will be, this is the 20th, so it'll be tomorrow the 21st, I believe. Anyway, what I wanted to tell you is that I think this is only costing me $19.95 per month. Isn't that a steal? And no shipping. That's the best part, no shipping. So I get my little package with the fabric and the directions, very lovely color presentation. And I tell you, these are the best written instructions I've run across in a while, you know. Super Dinah Whoppin'. So if you're thinking about it, I hope there's still openings for you, because they may, if I heard somebody said they were closed or they'd sold out or something. But if there's an opportunity to get started on this, go jump on it, because this is just very, very lovely. And the colors and the fabrics are, I think, soothing. Soothing would be the good word. They're just lovely. Very, very nice. I liked working on them. I haven't worked on anything really bright and knock your socks off for quite a couple of years, but I find that these softer colors are just more aesthetic for me, so that when I'm coming up here to do my sewing in my girl cave, that I want to have something that's fun and light and soothing. So these colors from Cory Yoder are just gorgeous. So that's all for today. I'm going to incorporate this along with some still shots, and that'll be our final wrap up for Clear Sky. Thank you all. Hope you're doing it too. Okay, bye. So this is the center of the Designer Mystery Block of the Month from Fat Quarter Shop.